Before you start cooking on your Weber Smoque Pellet smoker, it's helpful to learn your way around the controller. Let's take a closer look. From the controller, you can view or set the grill temperature, probe temperatures, timer, and shut down the smoker. To access the different functions, press the knob to enter the menu. You can turn left to toggle to the grill temperature, probe temperatures, or timer. If you turn right, you can shut down the smoker. To set the grill temperature, there is a shortcut. Simply turn the knob to the right to your desired temperature and press the knob to confirm. To set a probe temperature, press the knob once, then turn the knob left until the screen shows probe 1 or probe 2. You must have a probe plugged in to see this function. Select your probe, then turn the knob to your desired internal temperature and press the knob to confirm. To set a timer, press the knob once, then turn the knob left until the screen indicates the timer. Press the knob again, then turn to select your desired time and press the knob to confirm. To clear any of the set temperatures or timer, simply press the knob, turn left to the function you want to clear, press the knob again, and one more time holding for 3 seconds to clear the timer or temperature. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.